everyone. It's a beautiful weekend.
Yeah, we are going to Marriott Tang Plaza in Orchard
Road, Singapore, and now we are on our way to Chicken. This hotel has been renovated before because it's quite an old property. So let's check out the interior in a very short while. According to them, they have prepared the room nicely set up. Let's see how it will be like.
This is why we can't get the upgrade for the room, but let's see what they set up.
Yeah, because if we will have an upgrade, then they'll have to shift everything to the new room. But then we shall see.
It's our first time to stay in this Tang Plaza.
Yes, it's actually very centrally located, right in the retail belt of Singapore, which is Orchard Road. So we are on the 17th floor, and Jim will lead the way this time. I think it's a corner room, right?
It looks very nice. It's very modern.
Yeah. The door has got this modern Victorian kind of style, and it's very nice and bright in along the corridor. So here we are.
It's still a very old school marble.
Yeah. So we are at 1708. It's a corner suite, right?
It's a studio room, sorry.
It's a studio room. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay.
A little bit small.
Alright, we'll just start over here.
Let me put my equipment.
Immediately when we come in, right, there's the wardrobe on our right. So Jim, we want to open it up. So it's as per normal what you will see, but apparently I think the wardrobe also opens up in the bathroom, so that's very convenient.
Yeah, it's very nice. I like this idea.
Yes, and I think
a safe.
The safe and the ironing and the hair dryer, and on the left will be the mini bar.
Hang on, what is this? The socks?
A pair of socks.
I think someone left over.
No, I think it's part of the mini bar. Yeah, some hotels they do cater such essentials for people. I'm not sure, but we can check out the breakdown of the order form later.
So what do we have on the mini bar? The fridge. Oh, champagne.
Very nice selection of liquor and champagne and beer.
Juices and soft drinks, and then
over here is the ice bucket.
also no glasses for us. Oh, yeah, we got two.
And then Nespresso. And
okay,
they use TWGT as well. Okay, let's check out the working desk.
It's quite nice. You can do it.
It's actually very nice that
like this.
they have this place for us to put the luggage, so it's very convenient. You want to retrieve whatever, and then you can come to your working desk to do your work. But then there are two power outlets, but there are no USB ports.
It's because it's an old.
So that's a little bit of a disadvantage there.
Nothing much about the view even on the
Okay, this is the view that we have. Although it's high floor, but then we can see the whole retail belt over here and some other hotels and some high-end residential buildings
and hospitals
and the Mount Elizabeth Hospital.
And then here come the snacks.
Also part of the mini bar, right?
I'm not sure. Snack here.
Snacks. And then there's a nice couch.
Oh, it's quite soft.
Really? Let's check it out. Oh, it's very comfortable. And the bed looks comfortable as well.
Yeah.
It's like very soft. And okay. Let's see how there's actually a dressing table here and more storage space. Bathrobe.
Power socket for the hair dryer.
Yeah, that's right. mainly for your jewelry or cosmetics. And as what we show you, it opens up over here as well.
On the other side.
Okay, we are going to say hi to Jim.
Hello.
Hello. Okay,
There are some amenities our favorite.
Yay! It's time.
Very nice.
We like this
Very much.
series very much. And then
You got the sugar, you got the amenity kit, nicely packed.
yeah, nice selection.
Mm-hmm.
And then of course free drinking water.
Standing shower. Oh, there's no bathtub.
There's no bathtub.
One thing is very funny. Oh, very steam.
There are two. One and two.
So it's for some people like to have kinky shower. That's okay.
It's like changing room shower. And then the toilet bowl is very interestingly positioned.
Square.
No, and then it's very interestingly positioned, don't you think? It's like a toilet bowl out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's the room.
So this is the studio suite, right? The studio suite of Marriott Tang Plaza.
Yep.
And then we are going to enjoy ourselves.
Yep.
So later we'll bring you up to the lounge to take a look at the 27th.
Level 27.
And then 5:30 onwards will be our favorite time, cocktail and canopy
until
hour.
9:30. So the lounge you need to tap outside. Access.
It's the executive lounge. And once again, there's no view. Only skyscrapers.
But the wine
It's from Four
dispenser,
Seasons Hotel.
the wine dispenser machine is quite nice.
Oh yeah, that's the same one that we saw in Ritz-Carlton. So this is the wine dispenser machine that is automated. You can actually choose the volume that you desire. So it's quite nice. So for tea, there are some fruits and muffin. Not forgetting some non-carbonated drinks and non-carbonated drinks. Okay, let's see where's Jim. Over here. Oh, some fruits. Fruits and juices. Oh, they have fruits and juices. We are back at the 27th floor executive lounge. It's 5:30. Yeah, cocktail hour is started. Yep. And for the first hour from 5:30, no, first 2 hours, right?
First 2 hours.
5:30 to 7:30 will be happy hour. Coupled with orders, which is some food, some bread, cheese, some hot sides, and then the happy hour with drinks will continue until 9:30, and then followed by the dessert. dessert is also
8:30 to
9:30. So cheers once again. I'm going to check out the spread while Jim is going.
I already got the food.
Over here it's the bar where you can have a selection of drinks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. And then right over here it's where you have fresh fruits, salads, as well as juices. There's even a nice dispenser over here. And a selection of cheese with breadsticks and crackers, as well as some dried fruits and preserves. And then right over here, Parma ham and Japanese sushi and selection of wraps as well as salad. Hot sides we have kung pao, satay chicken, roasted vegetables and pumpkin soup. We both have a very good sleep. The bed is actually quite comfortable. It's not for the air conditioning system that shuts down halfway in the middle of the night. So let's check out the breakfast.
Selection is very good. I like it. So let Sean show you what they have for breakfast.
Jim is having honey latte and very healthy breakfast. Selection of treats. Can cut your own bread. And selection of condiments for you to choose from. Cheese and cold cuts over here. Selection of salad, yogurt, and fresh juices.
Not bad, right?
That's nice.
So, shall I go to the cabana then? Reserve. Okay, it's reserved. Okay, where shall we go then? Then we go that side. The hotel itself looks like a pagoda. So let's check out how pagoda looks like.
It's quite spacious, nice, bright. Yeah, so and it's got a little bit influence of Oriental architecture.
So these are the poolside bedroom. Yes.